Peace and love, y'all. Naeem here. Gonna try a little precognitive remote viewing experiment. So essentially how this is gonna work is I have my computer here. It's got the screen recording displayed here on the left side. Alright, so I got my target pool on the bottom left corner. No target has been selected yet. This target pool gives you a target when you request it. So I haven't requested the target yet. Top left is the timeanddate.com, so there's a running clock there. So I'm going to try and do like a one-take video and try and view this target before it's selected. Alright, so it's like a little precognitive experiment. I'm not expecting some kind of stellar hit here. Let's see if we can get something. Yeah, let's just have some fun and see what happens. So I made up my own target number to represent this target that hasn't been selected yet. So, you know, keep it short, keep it quick. Don't want this to run on, but let's see if we can get some kind of hit here. At least get the gestalts or some kind of contact here. Alright? So, here we go. 1443-7473. 1443-7473. 1443-7473. First visual ideogram. Stop. It's my first capture. There. One 443-7473. Second visual ideogram. Something like this. I see. Stop. That's my second capture. One 443-7473. 1443-7473. Third visual ideogram. Stop. Some kind of structural, possibly. Not sure. It's my third capture. Okay, so let's do ideograms here. 1443-7473. Visual. See like a bright patch. Sounds. High pitch. Temperatures. I get warm. Textures would be. I get like soft. Some veg. Smells and tastes. Like bright green. Bright green. Stop. 1443-7473. Sounds. I get like a blowing. Smells. Temperatures. Warm. Textures would be one 443-7473. Visual. Sounds. I get like a scraping noise. Smells. Something smooth. I get hot. One 443-7473. Visual. Sounds. Again, the blowing. Temperatures. Warm. Textures associated with the site would be, this is like something smooth. Smooth. I don't want to say wood, but smooth. Something smooth. Slanting. Let's go to S2. One 1443-7473. 1443-7473. Visual recall. I'm seeing this like sounds. I get blowing, blowing smells. Might be some wet there. Temperatures, I get hot. Textures, like some fabric. Stop that there. One 1443-7473. Yeah, I'm just seeing this this like peaking shape. It's kind of weird. Sounds, I get blowing again. Smells, might be some land there too. Textures, warm. Okay, so seeing like something like this, something like this, like structure there, some kind of structures there. I'm seeing this like something that's slanted or like curved. Like that. Yeah. Kind of like this big area. There's some like greens. Something about it feels natural. There's some greens that I saw. So we're gonna go land one. Structure 1, structure 2. Alright, so land, some vegetation, and 2 structures is what we're going to go for here. And yeah, oh, there might be some water. Water 1. Okay, so let's look at this land. LAND 1. Land 1. Let's get a visual here. LAND 1. Land 1. Okay, this is off in the distance. There's something off in the distance here. And then this is like the land. The land right here. Kind of like going off into the distance. Something off there in the back. Natural, feels somewhat natural here. The smells would be like somewhat barren. Like I see like just barren, like kind of like I don't see much vegetation here right now. Textures would be like dirt, land. It might be like a path or something here. This here, this might feel more man-made. Gotta look at that. But land, okay, there might be some greens actually over here. And maybe over here, but large vista, something off in the distance. That's what I'm seeing there. So maybe we should look at that. But I get like, you know, craggy, kind of like ochre colors here too, so it's weird. Okay. So that's what I'm getting there for the land. Let's get this structure off in the distance. Structure 1. STRUCTURE 1. Structure 1. Okay, this is like, I don't know what this is, but it's got like, it's got like parts that go up like this, but then maybe something else here. This is weird. Didn't see this too well. Textures would be like, it's got like some kind of patterns on it there. Sounds would be some voices. Smells, this is man-made. This is man-made. What is it? Feels tall. Like I want to say like towering, somewhat elevated. Materials would be like hard. Colors I get are like gray, white, silvery. Might have something to do with communication or direction. Yeah, it seems like it's got like a outward, upward and outward shape, but then maybe something like nested in that. It's weird shape there. But feels man-made. It feels somewhat modern, yeah. So that's what I'm seeing there for that structure. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if there's anything else that I can pick up here. What do I need to see? I want to see what the tasker wants me to see. 1443-7473. Okay, I see this from above. This is like something rounded. Something rounded like this. And there might even be some other structures nearby this. But something that's kind of like a tower, a cylindrical type shape, rises up. There's something up here, and I see this from above, looking down on this. Sounds, I get like voices. Smells, like structures, like concrete. What would that be for? Not sure, but I get the sense of like a tower. Yeah, some kind of tower. Like, things that come to mind are like the Seattle. You know how Seattle has that tower? Like those are the things that are coming into my mind now. But like some kind of man-made structure that rises up in a cylindrical type shape. It's got like a circular type feature there, and there may be other structures in and around here associated with that. Like tan, pale, there's some brightness, there might be like light shining on this. That's what I get there. I'm going to stop that. Now we're going to select the target and see if we got anything here. So I'm going to move this. This is the target pool here. This is my target pool. I'm going to select apprentice. We're going to select pick a target. And so here it is. See what we got. Oh, and there it is. That's actually a pretty good hit. Might have butchered some of the other impressions, but looks like we got a hit here, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully you can see how that works. Before the target was selected, it's like a lighthouse. The target is this lighthouse on the beach or something. So let me shrink this down. I'm gonna have to try and get some more details on this area, but seems like we had a decent hit here. So hopefully that was interesting, and hopefully you could see how precognition through remote viewing is possible. Not 100%. No remote viewing is ever 100%. So hopefully this was enjoyable. Thanks for watching, y'all. Take it easy.